What's up guys, it's Austin with Leadworthy. Today we're going to be making our own DIY shoot and see targets out of things you probably already have around your house. Some form of high vis colored paper, some clear tape, and 2 different colors of spray paint. Let's get after it. So I started off by measuring out how I wanted my target to be. I wanted a square foot, so I did 12 inches by 12 inches using a speed square and a pen. Then I grabbed some scissors and I was very careful to cut the outline because this will affect the overall shape of said target. Once you get it cut out, it's time to start taping. Grab some clear tape and make sure you get over the edges and overlap the tape. It helps to lay the tape out like this, just so it's a faster process. The point of the tape is to make sure the paint can't seep into the paper. Next, I just grabbed a scrap piece of paper. I went in the middle of it and measured a square inch. And then once it was measured, I just drew over it until I could rip the paper out, and now I have a bullseye. Time for the fun part, time to spray paint. Grab some matte black spray paint and just cover the whole thing. And once it's dry, grab your bullseye and just paste it on there. And then if any paint comes up, just touch it back up with the black, as I do here. Now it's time to shoot. I used a very low power BB gun, but I've used anything from 22 all the way up to 50 cal and it still works. It's a great low cost target.